told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try? So I can decide.
Happy birthday, Tita Rosita! Happy birthday, Tita! Thank you for your help, and please know that we appreciate you. We thank you for all your kindness, for taking care of Gian, sa pag-alaga mo sa kanya, sa pagpapalaki, for helping me sa house dito sa atin na sa Dubai. You are a big blessing to us.
Correct.
Galing kay Lord, and we wish na we pray that you will have many more birthdays to celebrate, and
Good health.
long life.
Yeah. So we are blessed to know you and to be part of our family.
Yes.
Sige, sabi mo na.
God bless you, Tita.
We love you.
We love you.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
See you
See you
soon.
soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Of the night, it haunts me and it makes me
Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you for taking care of me. I love you.
try to hide.
Stay safe. God bless you.
In every hour, I still end up thinking of you. And in the end, everything we have makes me
Tita, happy birthday, advance.
Ikaw na magaling.
Ingatan mo yung sarili mo, pati health mo. Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa aking mga apo. Sila'y tatlo. Happy birthday, advance. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita! I love you! Hope to see you soon here. Pasensya na, short notice, kaya mabilisan lang. Ingat ka palagi at maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat ng mga tulong mo. Hindi lang sa akin, lalo na sa kambal, sa pag-aalaga. Sana magkita tayo dito sa Canada. I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you for everything po. Maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga sa amin nung bata pa kami. Mag-iingat ka po dyan palagi. God bless you, and yung health po, ingatan po yung health po. Yun lang po. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga sa amin. Always pray to God po naman araw-araw. Enjoy your day po, and happy birthday. Hope to see you soon.
of dreams, and all will be alright in time.
Happy birthday po, Tita Rosita. Kumusta po kayo? Ingat po lagi. Alagaan niyo po sarili niyo dyan. Saka stay healthy lang po, at saka lagi manalangin sa Panginoon po. Ingat po lagi. Miss ka po namin. We love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Alright in time.
Happy birthday po, Tita Rosita. Wish you all the best po. Stay healthy and God bless po.
In time, I said all will be alright.
Hi, Tita! Advance happy birthday. I know na 1.5 month pa ang birthday mo, pero sinadjust ko sa aking mga pinsan na i-advance ito kasi wala ka ng birthday na yun. Sana napasaya ka namin. You deserve this. You deserve this surprise. And maraming salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa ating pamilya. Alam ko napakaraming mga sacrifices para sa iyong mga kapatid, for your loved ones, especially nung buhay pa sina lolo at lola. Okay, thank you so much. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Sana'y matupad ang iyong mga pangarap. Lagi mo tatandaan na we are always here to support you. Okay, advance happy birthday and ingat lagi sa pag-alis mong muli patungong Dubai. Okay, we love you and we wish you happy birthday!
Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive.